Hi everyone. Today we're going to make a little boy in pajamas, and now you could also do this for a little girl, put her in pink pajamas. So let's get started. Again, this is very simple and quick. And here we go. And I'm working on a 3x5 heavy stock paper. I mean, it doesn't have to be heavy stock. You can use any kind of paper. And we're just going to roll a log. Now what I want you to do here is when you roll it, roll the ends a little thinner than the middle because this is going to be the entire body. So you keep that middle part thick, and we're going to bend it over, and then we're going to bend up the feet. So you have a one-piece pajama outfit there. See, we're going to do the feet, just bend them up. Now don't press it real thin. I'm having a little trouble seeing this morning, so I'm hoping I'm doing this right. And next we're going to do the arms. And now just attach them at the shoulder because we'll be moving them a little bit when we add our star and our stocking on. And now on this one, I'm doing the blue underneath the head so that it'll look from the back like he's wearing his cap all the way down. And it also helps to make the ornament a little bit stronger when you put the head on. I'm going to make a little neck. And then we're going to roll out the head. So I'm doing the narration. Today it is August 12th. You probably won't see this until sometime in September because I have quite a few ahead of this. But gosh, aren't you all tired of this hot weather? I hope by the time you see this it'll be gone. Now make a nice round head. Don't flatten that head. I don't want to see any flat heads. What we're going to do is a little collar. We're going to texture it. Now, of course, you know I have him in blue pajamas. You can put him in any kind of pajamas you want. I think red pajamas would be nice for Christmas. Red pajamas with a green stocking. That would be kind of cute too. Now, see, this would be probably for a younger boy, But maybe as you get older, you would do the older colors. You wouldn't do baby blue for a boy who's over 6 or 7 years old. You'd want to go into brighter colors. There, I put the bottom of the pajamas on, and I'm texturing. You know how the bottoms are slip proof, so you want to texture it to make it look like that. And I'm doing little buttons. I have to say I can barely see that this morning. My eyes are really bad this morning. I don't know why. And now we're going to do the star. And if you don't have the cookie cutter, I do show you how to do the star in one of the tips videos. Now, of course, if you make these to sell, you need that cookie cutter. And we're going to position the arm because we'll be putting a hand on there. And you don't have to make fingers, just make it a little ball. That's fine. Making our stocking. And again, you can make it any color. I think you all know that by now, that you can switch up the colors. You don't have to do it exactly the way I do it. And you know, I still don't know, what is the top of the stocking called? I'm going to have to research that. I keep forgetting about that. I don't even know if it's called anything at all. And of course, that's where we put our name when we personalize, and the year will go on the star. And I put on Charlie, who is my great nephew. I have not seen them in a while because of this pandemic. That makes me very sad. You know, I like to see the kids as they grow. So I didn't like the way I did the arm. I don't know. Maybe I should have just edited that out, but it's a good way to show you that if you don't like the way you did something, just try again. And we're going to put cuffs on. And now for the hat. And of course, you know the hat. We've done this many, many times. Now, I kind of put the hat at an angle because if you saw at the beginning, I have him looking, his face kind of looking up. If you don't want him looking up like that, then put the hat on straight. But I thought it was kind of a cute look for him. So, just going to texture it a little bit. Put a little ear on him because he's only got the other ear covered. And the hat, I guess, in the old days, I guess they wore hats to bed because they didn't have much heat and they had to keep their heads warm because my mother always told me that's where all your heat goes out, so make sure you wear your hat when you go outside in the cold. She's probably right. She was right about most things. And of course, our holly and berry, and I did them in the pastel colors here. I'm going to make his mouth. I sure hope this video isn't blurry and that I hope it's my eyes that make it look so blurry because I'm just having a bad eye day. So I'll have to check this out. All right, we got our hook in. And of course, we will blush before we bake. And you will bake it according to the instructions on your package of clay. There we go. Quick and easy. And if you sell this one at the shows, I will make him a minimum of $10. And there he is. And I hope you enjoyed that. And I shall see you next time around. Bye.